G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. Oh, it's so good to be back at Parravans in Windsor, New South Wales. They have so many great vans, and one of them I want to show you today is the Legion range. This is the Legion Senator. It's a rear club lounge, 22-foot centre bathroom. Oh, it's got so many features. You ready to see them? Come on, I'll show you. How good's this? Is this luxury? It is luxury. And look at the space and the size of the lounge. Now, it's comfy, and when you're seated, and you've got plenty of room for your guests as well, the thing that you take in is the view, because you've got window there, and behind you, so the guests on the other side have got the view as well, and another one over here. So when you get that right spot, that pretty spot, you're bringing the view inside. Now, apart from the space here, you've got this magnificent table which swivels and moves and slides whichever way you want it to do. It is just fabulous. And the other thing you've got is this fabulous mood lighting, and that continues right into the bedroom. Now, the mood lighting is just wonderful, and then it's independent to the ceiling light, so you can turn those off or turn your mood lighting off, all nice and easy. And the bed, a luxurious queen size bed. There is loads and loads of cabinetry and storage space for all those little knickknacks. And above the bed there's a massive skylight and another skylight above the dining area. Now, you can even sleep another person here, or maybe a couple of littlies. All you've got to do is lower the dining room table onto the club lounge. There's an additional cushion that comes with it, and everyone's going to be so comfy. And both the bedroom and the lounge have got fans. Now, with the 22-foot Senator from Legion, one of the great things about this particular layout is that you can divide the bedroom off from the bathroom area and from the living area. So this door just slides so easily, and that gives privacy to the bedroom. But additionally, if someone's watching TV out there and you want more privacy again for those that are sleeping, then you've got another door just here. Now, it's a real bathroom, a spacious bathroom. You've got a wonderful toilet. Then the vanity area has so much storage to it as well, and a fabulous shower with hand wand as well. And there's exhaust fan and air vent over both the shower and the toilet. You've got hot and cold water on the inside, hot and cold water on the outside for the shower, and that's all connected to the two 95-litre freshwater tanks, plus a 95-litre grey water tank, all included. This comes standard with the rocker roller suspension, which is ideal for touring. However, if you want to get more off-road capable, then go to the website and have a look at the Chariot and Gladiator option packs, and you'll be happy. And the composite panelling on this van gives you easy care and insulation. Now, the kitchen is fabulous. It's a galley kitchen, so on one side you've got tons of bench space, plus a huge sink, and the tap even has filtered water. On the other side, again, more bench space, but you've got a cooker with 3 gas, 1 electric, with a range hood. There's a 3-way fridge and a microwave oven. Now, when you're caravanning, you want all the comforts, but you also want all the space. Now, the cabinetry here is terrific because you've got so much storage. Pot drawers, great big cabinets, a slide-out pantry, and importantly, there's even a washing machine in one of those cabinets. So one of the things when you go caravanning is you really want to have great quality hardware. And when you look at the upper cabinetry, you'll find that they're hidden latches. Open it up, piano hinges, and then double gas struts. Oh, it's so impressive. And the storage isn't just on the inside, the storage is on the outside as well. Up the front, a massive storage box with twin slides. So if you've got a generator and maybe a slide-out barbecue, already set up for you. Then there's a massive tunnel boot at the front and another one at the back. Oh, the electronics are so great. There's a battery management system, which is the BM Pro 35HA. That means it's lithium compatible. That includes a monitor and the Odyssey Link. There's 2 210-watt solar panels already installed, a 32-inch smart TV with aerial, a reversing camera, a 15-watt input, and circuit breakers included as well. There's outdoor and indoor speakers, plus there's USB and USB-C points throughout the van. Hey, Parravans will make it so easy for you to find out so much more about your Legion. All you've got to do is give them a call on 02 4577 5577. That's 02 4577 5577, or go to their website parravans.com.au. That's parravans.com.au, and you will join the Legion of Fans.